Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying our lesson number 2, that is fractions and decimals, in which we have completed about all the topics about the fractions, and we have in the previous lecture we have completed the introduction of decimals. Okay, in which we have studied what is the decimal fraction first. What is the decimal fraction? Decimal fraction is a fraction in which denominator is a 10 or a multiple of 10. Okay, and in the same way decimal has three parts. Decimal has three parts. First is a decimal point. Okay, and the part on the left hand side we call it as a integral part. Okay, we call it as an integral part because it consists of the integers. After that, the right side of the part we call it as a decimal part because it is in a form of a decimal. Okay, so we have completed this, and we have also completed about the place values of the decimals. Place values of the decimals is on the left hand side units or the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs, and on the right hand side tens, then hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s. What is the difference between two? It is hundreds and it is hundreds. That means we also suffix the th and it. Okay. Now, after that, today we are going to study about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. Okay. So first is addition. Okay. So how to add two decimal numbers. So here our first topic is addition of decimals. Now, if there are two numbers given to you, first one is 1.3 and second one is 0.26. Your second question is 1.3 plus 2.6 and your next number is 1.3 plus 6. Okay, these are the three questions, and in all these three questions you have to add both the numbers. In all these three questions you have to add both the numbers. Now, how to add these two numbers? For these, first of all, how to add this? So look at here. First, write the first number. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? जो नंबर फर्स्ट में दिया है उसे लिखेंगे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट गिव द प्लस symbol here. Okay, it is in the horizontal manner. I will write here in the vertical manner. Okay, so first decimal number as it is. After that, before writing your second decimal number, first put the decimal point below this decimal point. तो क्या करना है आपको? डेसिमल पॉइंट के एग्जैक्टली नीचे डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है. अब आप देखेंगे कि द नंबर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, राइट फ्रॉम, आपको इस डायरेक्शन में लिखना है. दैट मींस राइट टू लेफ्ट. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यू राइट टू लेफ्ट, एंड इन द राइट हैंड साइड यू राइट लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ पॉइंट देयर इज अ नंबर 0, so write it here. Okay, and on the right side it is 26. we pronounce it 26 or 26. जो डेसिमल के बाद नंबर होते हैं उसे हम कैसे रीड करते हैं? 26 या 26? Yes, we read it as 26. So it is 0.26. So you have to write 2 below this 3 and 6 on the next place. Okay, so there is no number above 6, so just add it. Okay, I will place one more number here, that is 1.03 plus 0.6. These are the four. Okay, so I am solving here first. This one your first. Okay, so कैसे लिखे हमने? First number as it is. After that, place the decimal symbol below the decimal symbol and write the numbers on the left side as well as right side. And if there is any place missing or any place in which number is not written, so just write 0 there. Just write 0 there. If you are not writing 0 in the addition, it will help you, but in the subtraction you will get confused. So make your habit to write 0 when there is no number given. Okay, so 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6 is 6, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Point के नीचे आएगा point and 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, in this way we add the decimal numbers. Now I am telling you the second one. Okay, what is second one? Again write 1.3 plus symbol. Write the decimal number below the decimal number. Okay, before decimal number there is number 2, so I will write here, and after that it is 6, so I will write here. Okay, so there is no place blank. सभी नंबर्स एक दूसरे के नीचे है, कोई भी प्लेस ब्लैंक नहीं है तो डायरेक्टली ऐड करेंगे. सो वी राइट इट हियर 3 plus 6 9. पॉइंट के नीचे आएगा पॉइंट. याद रखना पॉइंट के नीचे ही पॉइंट आता है. अगर आपने ये पॉइंट इधर लगाया है दैट मींस इट्स रॉन्ग. ओके, सो 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So answer for the second question is 3.9. Okay, now third one. What is your third? Third is 1.3. 1.3. But look at the second number. Look at the second number. It is not the decimal number because there is no decimal point given. That means 6 is not a decimal number. So if there is any number in which decimal point is not given, so just put it decimal number after that number. ओके, अगर ये नंबर गिवन है, इसमें आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं गिवन है, तो आप क्या करोगे? इसके बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट है ये कंसीडर करोगे. ओके, सो दिस इज योर डेसिमल पॉइंट. और मैंने आपको क्या बोला, इस नंबर के बाद यहाँ डेसिमल पॉइंट होगा, ये हम कंसीडर करेंगे. हियर वी कंसीडर द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज गिवन, सो वी हैव टू राइट 6 बिफोर डेसिमल नंबर. ओके, सो 6 आई विल राइट हियर. अभी समझ में आया है 6 पॉइंट कैसे आया? अगर किसी नंबर में डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं दिया है तो आप ये कंसीडर करोगे कि नंबर जहां एंड हो रहा है उसके बाद में डेसिमल पॉइंट गिवन है. ओके, सो इन दिस प्लेस इज ब्लैंक, सो आई विल राइट 0 हियर. आई विल राइट 0 हियर. ओके, सो 3 plus 0 is 3. Decimal point below decimal point, and 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. Okay, now question number 4. What is your question number 4? First is 1.03. 1.03. Write decimal point below the decimal point, and after that write 0 on the left and 6 on the right. Okay, now again this place is blank, so write 0 here. Write 0 here. Okay, so 3 plus 0 is 3, 0 plus 6 is 6, and 1 plus 0 is. Okay, so now you know how to add the two decimal numbers. अभी आपको पता चल गया दो decimal numbers को कैसे add करते हैं. Write the first decimal number as it is. Before writing the second decimal number, first place the decimal point, then write the left part of that second number, and after that write the right side of that part. Okay, so after that make sure there is no place remain blank, so just write it 0 there and then do the addition. Okay, now this is your addition. Now I am telling you the subtraction. What is subtraction of decimal number? Okay, so now look at here. I will tell you how to subtract the two numbers. Okay, your first number is 7.67 minus 7.67 minus 4.23. Okay, this is your first question. Your second question is 8.30 your third question is 8.3 minus 4.23. Okay, and your fourth question is 8.3 minus 4.2. Okay, these are your four types of questions. I will tell you different types so that you can understand how to subtract them. Okay, so I will take first subtraction here. First is, in the subtraction process you have to follow all the steps that I will told you in the addition. Okay, so remember all the steps of addition. We have to just apply it in the subtraction. Okay, so first write first number as it is. Okay, after that place the decimal point. Okay, so it is decimal point. Okay, now after that write the left part. So in the left part there is 4. Okay, and on the right it is 2, 3. So I will write 2 here and 3. Okay, now subtract them. 7 minus 3 4, 6 minus 2 4, and 7 minus 4 it is 3. Okay, so just subtract them. In the addition we just add, and in the subtraction we subtract it. Okay, okay. Now what is 7? 8.34. Now before writing the second number, just place the decimal point. After that write the left part, that is 4. On the right side it is only 3. So write this 3 just after the decimal point. क्या करोगे, इस पॉइंट के जस्ट बाद में 3 लिखना है, इस प्लेस पे 3 नहीं लिखोगे. ठीक है, 4 पॉइंट के जस्ट राइट साइड में 3 है तो आपको 3 वहीं लिखना है. ठीक है, so this place is vacant, so I will write here 0. Okay, now subtract that. 4 minus 0 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 8 minus 4 is. ठीक है, ये याद रखना ये वाला पॉइंट. अगर आपका नंबर 4.3 है तो 4 point, and after just after that we have to write 3. Don't skip any place. Okay, so now question number 3. What is your question number 3? Your question number 3 is 8.3 minus. Write second number. Before that write the decimal point, that is this, and write then left part, that is 4, and on the right side it is 2, 3. Okay, but look at here, this place is vacant, so you have to write 0 there. You have to write 0 there. Okay, now perform your normal subtraction as if आपको जैसे subtraction करना आता है आपको बस उसे फॉलो करना है. बस ये याद रखना कि डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाना है. ठीक है, तो हम लोग कैसे करते हैं, 0 minus 3, 0 में से 3 नहीं जाता, so we write it here 2 and we make it here 10. Okay, so 10 minus 3 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0, and the decimal point below the decimal point at 8 minus 4 is 8 minus 4 0 7. Okay, so how will we perform subtraction of decimal numbers? Subtract 3 from 10. Okay, one more thing is there, you will do the mistake. If there is return, question is that we subtract 4 from 15. That means आपको 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 15 में से. तो इसे राइट कैसे करते हैं, जो फ्रॉम के बाद वाला नंबर है इसे पहले लिखते हैं. आफ्टर दैट प्लेस द माइनस सिंबल एंड देन राइट द 4. ओके, यू ऑल रिटन इट एज 4 minus 15. That is wrong, completely wrong. So write 15 minus 4. When there is a question, subtract 4 from 15. Okay, now 0 में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता है, so we write 0 as 10 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So 2 minus 2 is 0 and 8 minus 4 is 4. This is your question number 4. Now I will tell you the question number 4. Sorry, this is your question number 3 and now I will tell you question number 4. What is the question number 4? 8.3. Okay, 8.3 minus, write the decimal point, before that 4 and after that 2. So subtract them. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, so in this way you have to add your decimal numbers and subtract the decimal numbers. So what are the steps for addition and subtraction of a decimal numbers? If you have to add two decimal numbers, arrange them properly. Then how to arrange? First write your first decimal number. Write the first decimal number. After that put the decimal symbol below the decimal symbol and then write the left part of the second number and after that write the right part of that number. If there is any place remain vacant, अगर ऐसी कोई भी place आपको खाली दिखती है addition या subtraction में, so just put 0 there because in the last if you are putting 0 it will not change your value. So just write 0 there and then perform your regular addition or subtraction. जैसे आप normally addition या subtraction करते हो वो आपको perform करना है. Okay, so this is your addition of decimal numbers and subtraction of decimal